How to make your Snapchat dark mode. Enabling dark mode on Snapchat can make the app easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide to switch to dark mode on Snapchat for both iOS and Android devices. Launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner to enter the settings menu. Scroll down and tap on App Appearance. This option lets you customize the theme of your Snapchat app. Select Always Dark to enable dark mode. Alternatively, you can select Match System to align Snapchat's appearance with your iPhone's system settings dark mode or light mode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.